Hey preppers, welcome back to Doomsday Prepper. Today we're diving into Home Depot to uncover the top 10 prepping items you need to enhance your survival game. Whether you're preparing for natural disasters, economic downturns, or any emergencies, Home Depot has you covered. First up, we have 5-gallon buckets. These versatile buckets are a prepper's best friend. Use them for water and food storage, or even as makeshift toilets. They're durable and sealed tightly to keep contents safe. Next, let's talk about a multi-tool. This compact gadget is a survival kit essential, featuring pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and more. It's perfect for any emergency situation. Our third item is a tarp and paracord combo. Together, they can create shelters, repair gear, and serve countless other purposes. A tarp offers protection from the elements, while paracord is incredibly strong and versatile. Fourth on our list is a comprehensive first aid kit. Accidents happen, and having a well-stocked first aid kit can make a huge difference. Be prepared for minor injuries and major emergencies alike. Number 5 is LED flashlights and lanterns. These are crucial for navigating in the dark or signaling for help. LED lights are energy efficient and long-lasting, making them a must-have. Clean drinking water is essential, so number 6 is a water filtration system. Home Depot offers several portable options to ensure you have access to safe water during any crisis. Seventh on the list are Mylar bags and oxygen absorbers. These are perfect for long-term food storage, protecting your food from light, moisture, and air while preventing spoilage. Number 8 is a folding shovel. This compact, lightweight tool is perfect for digging, cutting, and other emergency tasks. It's easy to pack and carry with your other gear. Fire safety is crucial, so number 9 is fire extinguishers. In a survival situation, controlling a fire can save lives and property. Having a couple on hand is a smart move. And finally, seeds and gardening supplies. Growing your own food is a key part of sustainable living. Home Depot has a variety of seeds and gardening tools to get you started. And there you have it, folks. 10 essential prepping items you can find at Home Depot. These items will help you be ready for any situation and ensure your family's safety. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more survival tips and tricks.